There is a woodpecker pecking at our doorbell. This has been going on for about 5 minutes. I thought I was kind of going crazy. I heard something. I couldn't find it. And here's this little guy out there going to town relentlessly on our doorbell. I mean, it was the weirdest sound in the house. I couldn't find it. I thought it was upstairs, thought it was from the back deck, went to the front door, heard it in the walls. I thought, oh my goodness, we got a bat or something in the walls. But look at him. I don't know what he's doing. I'm going to get the other video camera and put it on our home video.